Good morning, my name is Chartpunk and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. New day, new candles, no financial advice. Let's go. Weekly Bitcoin chart, not much changed since yesterday, which is of course not a surprise since one day is not that much of a time in a week. Price is still in this congestion zone. The two short period moving averages are both within the 23,700 and 23,200 zone. I am watching the 23,500 now as the line in the sand. What I see here is a double top. This is our previous top. This is our recent top. And if I want to validate this double top and I put on the Bollinger Bands, then you will see that this pattern correlates to a Bollinger M-top pattern, which is a very important reversal pattern, price action reversal pattern. First target is the Bollinger median line here at 1970, and the second target could be the lower deviation level. What I would say is that my target for this Bollinger M-top would be somewhere here, which is this zone where we use these levels as support. If the M-top is playing out as a double top pattern, then this $18,500, $19,000 range should be the target of this reversal pattern. Let's put back on my indicator, the Chartpunk HTF trading system indicator, which is using Consensus system moving averages and a candle painting according to the actual momentum on the Bitcoin market. What we see here is that we are still watching the two short period moving averages. If they cross down here in this bullish trend structure territory, that would mean an indication to a little bit lower our allocation to Bitcoin. If I take a look at the oscillators, then I really like the movement of the RSI. It is still above its exponential moving averages. However, what we see is that the moving averages are condensing in a narrowing range, which is also a sign of caution. My momentum oscillator, the Chartpunk momentum oscillator, which is down here, has been leaning down now for the third week, which is clearly showing us some decreasing momentum on the weekly Bitcoin chart. Let's go over to the 3-day chart. 3-day chart, we are now in the second day of the 3-day candle, and what I am watching here is the alignment of the two short period moving averages. This 23,500 is basically the line in the sand. If we have consistent or confident price action here above this level, then most likely the moving averages will not cross down, or even if they cross down, they will very likely close up pretty soon. So a confident price action here would mean the retain of the long 3 position according to the Consensus trading system. If at the end of this candle we see the price action here under 23,500, that would give us a reason to a little bit decrease the bullish allocation to Bitcoin. Oscillators are looking not so good. The RSI is clearly divergent from the price action, and what we see here is that it is kind of neutral. It is under its short period exponential moving averages. It is still above its long period exponential moving average, but if the bulls intend to provide us with a bounce, they should do it somewhere in this region. The level of 60 is still okay. I think the bulls should do everything to keep the RSI level above 60 to retain the bullish momentum on the Bitcoin 3-day time frame. 1-day Bitcoin chart is showing to us precisely how important this current confluence area is. Basically, all of the moving averages are congested between 23,300 and 23,400. That's our line at 23,500. Everything else is the same, what I have just said on the higher time frames. I would prefer to see Bitcoin price action here in order to retain the bullish allocation to Bitcoin. If at the end of the 3-day candle I see the price action somewhere here, that would signal for me to take some chips off the table. That's it for today, folks. See you tomorrow. Happy trading. Bye-bye.